This is our 1992 Defender 110. What's so unique about this one, Ross, especially being a 1992?
I'm not sure. Do you think it might be the Puma dash?
Oh, is that what this is?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
And bulkhead.
Oh, and bulkhead.
And did you notice that this windscreen is also heated?
Look at that. Probably can't see the lines in it, but...
And she's a diesel and a manual.
300 TDI, right?
300 TDI. R380 transmission, LT230 transfer case. If you want all the numbers, I have them.
All the goods.
And she's got a snorkel for extra off-road performance.
So you've even got a Puma instrumentation cluster, right?
Oh yes, I do. And this is not the aftermarket one that those guys make in England.
Yeah,
this is a proper factory-made instrumentation cluster.
I think the only difference is, what, that EGR temp?
Yeah. That's not factory.
But power windows.
Fog lights. Washer sprayers. Windshield defrosters. USB. Heating and air conditioning.
Heated seats.
Climates. Yes.
And the dipped lights, right?
Yes. Turn signals. High beam, low beam, wipers.
All the good stuff.
All the stuff's there. Yeah. Oh, and
Ooh.
mirror horn.
And it even has a digital audio broadcasting radio.
Yeah, it is.
And you've got a Land Rover clock.